So you're wondering if the tie bar ties are worth it? In today's video, we're going to take a look at 3 of my favorites and help you to find the best ties under $50. What's up, gentlemen? Welcome to Muscular Style, where we talk about all things style for the muscular man. If you are a muscular man and you're new here, please consider subscribing so you can get notified of our weekly content. In today's video, we are talking about neckties, specifically ties from the tie bar. Now, the tie bar has been the leader in men's budget ties for quite some time now. Now, one of the things I love about the tie bar is how many colors and size variations that they offer their ties in. So this tie here comes in about 24 different colors and 4 different sizes for each of those ties. That is a lot of tie combinations, but it helps so that you can find exactly what you're looking for. Now, I will talk about which size is best for you, so make sure you stick around to the end to figure that out. But this tie here is a blend of silk and the linen, which I absolutely love. This is a perfect tie for the spring, for the summer. I absolutely love wearing this tie, and I did get this in an XL. So as you can see here, the tips are able to be the same length when I wear them, and that's how I prefer to wear my ties. So the tie bar is a great option if you're a taller guy, or if you like this look because you can get an extra long length. Now, the price on this tie is $28, so you're under the $30 mark, and it is actually a very well-made tie. I have loved this tie. It looks great, it feels great. It's one of my favorites, if not my favorite, from the tie bar. If you do want to check this tie out, click the link in the description below. Let's move on to tie number 2. Tie number 2 is this Redwood dot tie in hunter green. I absolutely love this color. This tie does come in 5 other colors, and it comes in at $25. As you can see here, this tie has a lot of texture, which makes it a great casual tie. So if you don't want to suit up, you just want maybe a sport jacket and tie, you want to dress something down, this is really a great option and one that I turn to frequently. It has held up well. For a $25 tie, I wasn't expecting that. A lot of ties will get some threads breaking here and there and some really early wear and tear when you're under the $50 price point, and especially when you're at the $25 price point. The tie bar has done an exceptional job with these, and this is really good buy. Again, this is linked down in the description below if you want to check it out. I hope you're getting value out of this video so far. If you are, please hit like and comment below. What are your favorite tie brands? Tie number 3 is one of my favorites. As far as quality goes, this is definitely the best made of the bunch. So what the tie bar did is they took VBC fabric, which is often made into incredibly nice suits, and they turned them into a tie. So you have this beautiful fabric here, and it has the unique properties of wool, which are actually very incredible. And you have it in a tie for $35. This is the best buy of the lot. This does have the best hand, which is one of the ways you judge the quality of the tie. It is absolutely amazing. It's soft, it drapes incredibly well, and it ties a beautiful knot. So if you're only going to buy one tie and you don't need an extra long, because these do not come in extra long, take a look at the Vitale Barberis line if you want just the absolute best quality for about $35. I do also want to mention that this pocket square that I'm wearing here is from the tie bar. They come in at about $10. They're not the best quality, but at $10, really you can't go wrong. So I do want to talk about the sizing of the ties, because finding the best tie for your build is about getting the right width based on your proportions. So if you're a smaller guy, say you wear a 38 to maybe a 40 jacket, you can get a skinny tie. I definitely recommend sticking with a modern tie, which is a 3-inch tie. The skinny tie from the tie bar is 2.5 inches. Now, if you wear a 44, 46 or bigger, make sure you go with the traditional. It is a 3.25-inch width. Basically what that means, it's a better proportion for you. If you are 6 foot, you want to have this look that I've shown you here where the tie tips are the same length. Make sure you get the extra long, and that size will work perfectly for you. Now to answer the question, are the tie bar ties the best ties you can get under $50? And for the most part, I would say yes, absolutely. The tie bar does offer some of the best ties you can get under $50. Anything in the Vitale Barberis Cononoco line is absolutely worth the money. Now, the $28 range of ties I absolutely love, and even the $25 range of ties. I do have a couple of ties that are no longer sold, so I didn't show them here, but they're in the lower quality range. I don't think those are worth it. Stick to that range of ties between $25 and $35. You absolutely are getting the best value for your money under $50. Until next time, gentlemen, stay muscular and stay stylish.